Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. And give me one second. I have this box right here. And guess what this video is going to be? You got it. It is another unboxing. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. I know, another unboxing, but who doesn't like unboxings? And this one is actually not for me. So the person I purchased this for said it was okay that I could unbox it with you guys to share with her, share the excitement. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. So as a hint, this piece is really hard to come by, and my friend, I won't say who it is, but she had several people looking for one for her, and I knew I had a really good SA, and so I told her that I would ask my SA to try and get one as well. And so let's just see what this is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me see how I'm gonna do this. So here we go. There's some blue, there's some orange, there's an Louis Vuitton. Can you guys guess the rest? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me go ahead and, oh my gosh, okay, this is a pretty big box, so let me try to, okay, so he included a bag, which is very, very nice, and sorry for all the ruffling of the paper. I know, okay, so in that big old box, here is the box that the item came in. Let me see if there's anything else in there. And no, there is not. So let me go ahead and open this with you guys. Let's see. So I'm actually really excited too, because I've never seen one of these in person. I've seen these on Instagram all over the place. And to be honest, I have not seen very many YouTube. Have I even seen any YouTube videos that featured this piece? I don't think I have. I've only seen these on YouTube, and I mean on Instagram and on the Facebook groups. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so yeah, my SA said that he would send me something as well. So here is the receipt. The receipt is in here, and I won't show you that. Let me go ahead and continue with the unboxing. This is exciting because I was kind of considering this. I was kind of considering this piece as well, and maybe I'll you know, take a look at it a little bit more and see if I want to get one for myself. So here is the item. Okay, let me put this box down. So here it is, in the nice dust bag that has Louis Vuitton with the navy blue prints. Can you guys guess from the shape of it? It is the bum bag. Oh my goodness, okay. So here is, let me see what this is officially called. I'm looking at the receipt. It is called the Bum Bag MM in monogram, and it says VVN. I don't know what that means, but this item retailed for $1,500, and of course with tax, it depends on where you live. I wish I lived in a state that had no tax, but unfortunately there is tax here in Minnesota because we do have a Louis Vuitton here. The smell of fresh vachetta. I have not had a vachetta piece in a long time, so I'm trying not to. I won't make the nose mark on the vachetta. Don't worry. Don't worry, I won't. But it smells really good. Okay, so here is the bum bag. Okay, and so let me see. It comes with a top handle, which is really, really cool. You could probably put a bandeau or a whatever you call those things on here. And let me go ahead and open this up. Well, let's look at the outside first. So here is a D-ring. I guess you could probably put like your sunglasses on there or a bag charm or something. And then on the back side here is a pocket which is lined in fabric, and you could probably put your cell phone in there. Alright, so let's open it up. Now these, so I had to put myself on a wait list for this, and my essay said it could take up to 3 months. And I'm not exactly sure when I asked him to find one for me, but it wasn't 3 months. It was probably only less than a month or so. So there's some air paper in there. Here is the, what do you call it, the textile card, and it is coated fabric with cowhide leather trim and man-made lining. And here, oh my goodness, okay. So here are the tags, and if you're interested, let me show this one. Hopefully it'll focus. Maybe with the light it's not going to, okay. Almost. Come on, camera. Okay, there you go. So screen capture that if you're interested in the model number, and if you are, contact your SA as soon as possible because, yeah, like I said, these are very hard to come by. Alright, so here is the inside. So this piece was made in France. It's a myth. And inside again it is in that, it looks like either dark brown or black. A black textile. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You could you know, wear this as a fanny pack, or I've seen people also wear it sort of like on their chest like that, which is the new thing to do with fanny packs. But yeah, I'm trying to think if I want one too. But to be honest with you, this vachetta leather, any vachetta leather really scares me to use, because any water drop or anything like that is going to create a mark, and then over time, if you continually use it, it's going to start turning brown and then dark brown. And yeah, I prefer it to look exactly like it is, you know, here, which is very light. I'm gonna try not to handle it too much because I don't want the I don't want to mess it up, and so I won't undo it. But there are plenty of adjustment holes, you guys can see. And yeah, this is cute. So there is that. Let me see what else my essay included in here. He said he was gonna send me more samples of the fragrances. So let's see what he put in here. So it was just in a dust bag like this, because there was a new fragrance that had come out that was supposedly more citrusy. And so he gave me, okay, so there's a couple samples in here. The first one is, and it's going to be really hard to see if I put it up, but it is Le Jour se lève. I think this means bath day, or the day of bath. And oh, okay, so, and yeah, so this is a new fragrance. There is also new fragrances coming out I think for men, and so I can't wait for that. And my essay said he will send me more samples once he gets those. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, if you are interested, like I said, you better go talk to your essays as soon as possible, because there are not very many of these at all. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I hope you like this one. And yeah, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.